Hello and welcome to our Create a Client video. So we begin in our client page and we click Create New Client. So here we enter the company name for our client. So I'm going to enter SiteGlide Client 6. And we can also enter an email address. This will be the primary email address for this client. And this will be also used for billing and invoice notifications if you choose to use Client Connect. Once you have finished, click Save. And once this is saved, this client will appear in your list of clients. So we can go back to our client list and we can see that the client we have just made is here for you.